welcome back. New video. Today's gonna be a little different. We're gonna be doing a vlog style, a day in the life of a real outdoorsman. We're gonna be going to breakfast, hayride, corn maze, pumpkin picking, all that good stuff. So hope you guys watch along. Let's have some fun today. Just taking some practice shots before we go. I usually come out here in the morning after my coffee, trying to get ready for hunting season. Actually, if you guys are watching this, hunting season starts today. Today's Saturday, the first Saturday after Columbus Day. So you know there's gonna be a hunting video coming up, so stay tuned for that. So yeah guys, me and my girl are gonna start the day off this beautiful day with some breakfast at our favorite place. Fire breakfast, guys. I love bacon, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys love bacon. So the breakfast was fire, guys. We enjoyed it. So now, wow. So yeah, we're gonna be going to Simcock Farms. That's what it's called. I'll see you guys there.
And they come unstuck, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? It's got a
Yeah, guys, we're gonna be going to the corn maze now. What'd you guys think about the hayride?
It was fun. Relaxing.
I liked it, relaxing. I think I'm already lost already. Guys, we might be really lost in this corn maze. Send help for real. We made it, guys. But yeah, we're gonna go pick some pumpkins. So I'll see you when you get there, guys.
I like this one right here, babe. Yeah, get that one then. That's perfectly right.
Oh, okay. Mimi.
Get that one.
The old Mimi.
We're back at the house now. It's about noonish, almost 1. I'm out here walking my dog. Gonna be making lunch soon. These Franks are so good. So yeah guys, I hope you liked that explosion that actually caught on camera. That was, I threw a lighter in there, a full lighter, because it broke trying to light it. But that was pretty dope. If you guys like that, comment down below, tell me how dope it was. But yeah, chilling by the fire, We're gonna have some s'mores. So let's get it. Enjoy the fire with me. Look at that. Pick it up. Perfect s'more right there. Look at that. Cheers, guys. What a wonderful way to end the evening. I hope you guys liked my day in the life of a real outdoorsman. We went hayride, corn maze. We had some good laughs. Now we're chilling by the campfire and gonna make some s'mores. Actually, we're getting it ready right now, guys. S'more number 2. There we go, guys. S'more number 2. Hope you guys can see it. Cheers. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life of a real outdoorsman. We did a lot of fun stuff, a lot of fallsy stuff. If you guys like this type of video, this type of bushcraft content, mixed with daily vlogs, mixed with shelter building and all that good stuff, please like, subscribe, share with a buddy. Yeah, so this is Kev Outdoors. See you next time. Peace.